Hey guys, this is the first problem in the Desmos. I'm going to start by talking about this linear function right here. This is in slope-intercept form because the y is all by itself. The number in front of this x here, this is our slope. That means the -4 here is our y-intercept. And then when we graph these, we always start with the y-intercept first. So I'm going to start at -4 on the y-axis. Then my slope is 2/3. That is rise over run 2/3. So I'm going to rise 2 and run over 3 to the right, always to the right. And there's our linear graph. So we can keep this pattern going if you want to draw a straight line because I'm bad at them. So there's our linear line. Next up is our quadratic. This quadratic is in standard form. There's a couple different ways you can do this. The most common way that I've seen most people doing it is the table method. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Recall that to find the middle of our table, we need to find our axis of symmetry. And I'm going to do that by using the equation x equals -b over 2a, where this is a, b, and c. So if I plug in, my b is the number in front of just the x. That's the -6. My a is the number in front of the x squared. Since there isn't one, it's an invisible 1. Negative and a negative makes a +6. 2 times 1 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the middle of my table is going to be a 3. Then I can pick numbers next to it. So I can do 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6. To find the y values for these tables, I'm just going to plug in these values into my original equation. So here, I'm going to do y equals something squared minus 6 times something plus 6. So I'm going to start with my axis of symmetry, 3. 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. -6 times 3 is -18. 9 minus 18 is a -9, plus 6 is -3. Now we can try it again for the other numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for 2. Two squared is 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 2 is -12. 4 minus 12 is -8, plus 6 makes a -2, and that's going to be a mirror image on the other side of our axis of symmetry. Now we can go ahead and try it for that last number, which is 1. 1 squared is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 minus 6 is -5, and a -5 plus 6 is a +1. So mirror images, both of those are going to be 1s. So we can go ahead and plot this now. I've got 3, -3 to start. 2, -2. And its mirror. And 1, 1. And its mirror. So this forms our quadratic. And then the points we really care about are where they cross. So that's going to be these points here, and you can do your best to approximate what those are. This is going to be 2 1/4 and 2 3/4, -2 3/4. Again, these can be as estimated as you want. And then this one here is going to be 4 1/4 and -1. Those are our solution points.